Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Azure DevOps for CI/CD using YAML step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Azure DevOps account. Navigate to your Azure DevOps project. Click on the Pipelines option in the left-hand menu. Select Create Pipeline. Choose the location of your code repository, such as GitHub or Azure repos. Authenticate and grant necessary permissions if prompted. In the template selection, choose YAML. Azure DevOps will detect your repository and suggest a default YAML file. Review the default YAML and modify as needed to suit your project requirements. Define the trigger for continuous integration at the top of your YAML file. Use the trigger keyword followed by the branches you want to include. For example, use trigger main for the main branch. Next, specify the pool for your build environment with the pool keyword. Use VM image to select the version of the operating system you want. For example, pool VM image Ubuntu latest. Define your build steps under. Use the script keyword to specify the commands you want to run. Make sure to include build commands relevant to your language or technology. If you are using .NET, you might use .NET build. After your build commands, add a test step to run your test suite. Use the same script keyword for your tests as you did for builds. Specify a step to publish artifacts by adding a publish keyword. Set the path of the files you want to include from your build. Configure your release pipeline if you want to deploy your app. Go back to the Pipelines section and select Releases. Create a new release pipeline and link it to your build pipeline. Add stages for your deployment such as development or production. Configure each stage with the necessary deployment tasks. After setting up your YAML pipeline, click Run to test it out. Monitor the pipeline's progress in the Azure DevOps interface. Check logs for any errors and refine the YAML configuration as needed. Celebrate your successful CI/CD setup by making changes and observing automated deployments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.